सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय। Okay, today I am making makkai khees. What is makkai? Corn on cob. It is during monsoon that you get the white corn, and I prefer the white corn because the yellow American corn is very sweet, and so monsoon time is the best time to make this particular dish. It is beautiful, it is very tasty, and you can have it with bread and butter. It's really yum. So you see, we have already grated the corn. Here it is. See, you have to take a grater and go on grating on the cob. The corn is on the cob and you just go on grating. So when you grate, this is 1 dozen corn, okay, that I have grated and kept it ready. So you just have to grate it. Now what do? There are 2 ways of doing this. Makkai, we call it makkai. Butta. One is in the pressure cooker. So it's very simple and everything, it is done. And one is you bake it, with cheese on top. So it's like a baked dish of corn, which is also very, very tasty. So today I will show you one in the pressure cooker, and in one of the future episodes I'll show you the baked one with the cheese. Okay, so let's start. You have to switch on your gas. Put your patila. उसमें आप घी डालिए. That's it. So it's yummy. Okay. Then you put zeera, cumin. Then you put dalchini, cinnamon. You put some cloves. Put hari mirchi, as much as you want. Then you put adrak, chopped ginger. I've chopped and kept everything ready, so I'm not doing it at that time, last minute, Chop everything. As usual, I don't have the spoon, so come with me. The spoon. Okay. Stir it a little bit. Then, once it's done, you throw in all the makkai. Keep the flame on slow and mix it nicely. I want the sansi. Mix it. Just saute it a little bit and then put a little salt. Whenever my brother came from abroad, he lives in America. Whenever he would come here, he would ask for makkai khees. He's so fond of it, So we would bake that for him. And one day I remember my cook was making makkai khees for him. She was so excited that my brother had come and that he wanted makkai khees. So she was making it. And once it was done, she quickly tried to bring it on the dining table because he was very impatient. He said, I want the khees now. So she carried it with this chipta, with this thing. And as she was going to the dining table, the thing slipped from her hand and the entire corn fell ulta on the floor and it was all gone. I was so shocked. I said, oh my God, all the corn is gone. Then she had to run to the market again, pick up more corn, grate it, and he had to wait for hours for the makkai khees. That was the story because she got very nervous. She says he needs it now. Let me do it quickly. Nothing happens quickly in life. You have to be patient. A lot of patience is required. Now you put a little bit of water. Okay. And stir again. Now I'll put the flame on high and I'll stir. Now we have to add milk. This is cooked in milk. Okay. So take a milk, warm milk, okay, not cold. And take as much as you need. I took the malai also. Looks yum. Now I will put it in the cooker and show you. Okay, now I'll put everything in the cooker in a dabba. You put a little hara dhania on top, like this. And once it is cooked also, we have to put it on top and you have to serve it with a little lime juice. You can put a little slice of lemon in the plate when you're serving. And take a little more ghee on top, you know, because I added some ghee. Where is the ghee? Just put it away. Okay, I added little more ghee, okay. So you throw a little bit of ghee, that's it, and cover it with the lid. कुकर को आप 3-4 सीटी बजाना. That's it. Now once it is ready, it blows like 4 times the whistle, then I will open and show you. Okay, now I am opening the cooker. We let it go for 5 सीटी. 5 सीटी बजाई हम लोग ने, ठीक है. This is basically मक्कई खिचड़ी also. Some people, Gujaratis call it मक्कई खिचड़ी. So it's a khichdi actually. I call it makkani khees. See? Wow, it looks yum. See all the ghee and everything. Now what you do is serve. I'll get the plate. See, when you serve, it has to be piping hot. Put it like this. We've got some lemon wedges here. And serve. See, it looks so good. And you can sprinkle some hara dhania on it so it looks nice. And serve it with the lemon. So this is makkani khees in the pressure cooker. It's very tasty. Make it. It's really nice. So that's all. In one of the future episodes, I'll show you the baked makkai, the baked corn. Okay, this is the white corn, not the yellow one. Okay, that's all. Let me know how you like it. Comment. Please let me know. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की जय. आज की मक्कई की खीर
बहुत बढ़िया.
Now she's learned. जय माँ.
जय माँ.